Hello all, welcome back to our new session. In this session I am going to explain you about credit control area. Okay, what is meant by a credit control area? In this name itself you can find the answer, that is credit. Like it decides the credit limit of a company or a business area or a consolidation business area. It means like for every company or for every branch in a company or for every sub branch in a company, there will be certain credit limit which they can give or which they can take. So this is meant by credit control area. So we should create credit control area for each and every company and for each and every branch, for each and every sub branch. Like we can create only one credit control area for all the company, so that we can use the credit control area for all, the limit applies for all the branches and all the companies. And if you wish to give separate also, you can give separately for each and every branch. Okay, for this we are going to use the transaction code OB45. Okay, now let's log into our SAP screen. See, in the demo server, if you give wrong password, then it would show automatically number of failed password logon attempts. I have given one wrong password, and if you given more than 3, then automatically the user gets logged down and you need to contact your admin who has given you the login details. They will reset the password and they will send you back the temporary password. Okay, in this screen we need to give OP45, hit enter. In position you could check like whether any credit control area has been created for our company already. Like ABCD is Ananda Group credit control, this is not ours. Okay, and I am going to create a new credit control area for the thing. See, you could see like a credit control area ABCA. I am giving ABCA. Currency we are going to use INR, hit enter. Okay, and data for updating SD. This fiscal year variant is another concept. I would explain this fiscal year variant separately in one session in our upcoming videos. Okay, and no need to give this risk category, and you need to give the credit limit. I am giving credit limit for 10 nines for the company which I have assigned. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and hit enter. It will automatically take the credit limit. Then you need to click on the save, create a transport request, give as creation of credit control area. Click on the save button. See, automatically the data was saved. Now let's verify once again. Give /n, give OB45, click on the search, give as AB star, hit enter. See, here you could see See here, it will not show that company code or company code name, because we need to assign this credit control area for our company which we have created. Okay, so this is just now we have created one credit control area, and we are going to assign this credit control area for a company code in our upcoming sessions. I hope you guys understand the point. So that's all for this session, guys. And in our upcoming sessions, let's see how to assign a company code to a credit control area and how it works. Okay, I request you to give a like if you feel my explanation worth, and you could share this video to your friends who are willing to learn SAP, and subscribe for more upcoming sessions. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.